In this video, we will create HTML table. So, what is table? In general, if we define table, so table consists of set of columns and rows. The column shows the attributes, and the row shows the records or data. So, HTML table helps the developer to arrange data in rows and columns. So, how we create a table? So first we will write a table tag. So table tag is used to create HTML table. Inside table we have columns and rows. So we must use T head and T body. The T head shows actually the column names, and the T body shows the rows. So let's start. We have a T head. So T head tag opening and T closing head will be used. Uh, we will then define our columns inside T head. So if we have three attributes or three columns, so we will write three th three th tags. For example, if we have three columns, so we must use three th tags, element tags. For example, if we have product name as a first column, second, third, so we have copied, and now we will modify the names. For example, we have the second column with the price name, with the name price, and we have quantities in stock. So we can create as many heads mustard. So one is T head, this is T head, and these are the different column names, T heads, th, and then we have a T body. So we will write T body opening tag and then T body closing tag. So this is our main skeleton. So if we come to this web page browser, so if we refresh, you can see we have three columns: product name, price, and quantity. But data is not shown because the data is not entered in the T body. So we will use the semicolon so that these two words does not sound to be different. Now for each column we must have, for all the columns we must have rows. So we will use the tag tr for row, for the row. So if we have three rows, so we will use 3tr. So this is for the first row, tr opening and tr closing tag. So this is the first row, this will generate the first row. So we will enter the row. So as we have three columns, so the row will contain three records. Sorry, um, three number three datas for this one row. So we will use the tag td. Td means table data. So we will use td opening and td closing tag. Understood? So this will be td1. For example, the product name is les. We will copy this tag, les. Price is for example 100 and the quantities are 30 for example. So this is first row, and the first row contain three data against these three columns. So if we come to our browser and refresh it, you can see we have one row with three number of data for each column. What will happen if we create another data for this one row? Let us suppose if we write A, B, C for example, and we come and refresh this. So this row contain four datas, and this means now we have four columns: one product name, price, quantity, and fourth is remain as empty. Now you can create another row. So for easiness and for time saving, we will just copy it. T row, this means second row, and this will be the data against the second row. So you will enter the second product name. So if for example the second product name is Colgate toothpaste for example, and the price is 350 and quantities are 45. Suppose you come and refresh, so you can see we have two rows, and both the rows contain three data 3D against three columns. Laterally, when we start CSS, so we will set the margins and coloring property and we will apply the coloring property. So this is basically the skeleton. So the skeleton is provided by HTML, and then using CSS properties we can select particular border style and then coloring, etc. So